Hello and welcome to our channel. We are Sentinel Tech. In this video, we will be discussing the impact of agriculture technology on smart farms. With the growth of technology, small farmers now have access to innovative tools that can help improve their productivity and efficiency. The challenges facing by small farmers. Small farmers often face a number of challenges, including limited resources, harsh weather conditions, and competition from large farms. However, with the help of technology, small farmers can overcome these challenges and grow their businesses. Importance of agriculture technology for small farms. Agriculture technology has the potential to revolutionize small scale farming, making it more sustainable and profitable. With the right tools and technology, small farmers can increase their yields, reduce their costs, and improve their overall operations. Examples of agriculture technology for small farms. There are many different types of agriculture technology that are suitable for small farms. For example, precision agriculture tools can help farmers manage their crops more efficiently by providing real-time data on soil moisture, weather conditions, and plant growth. Agriculture drones can be used for crop mapping and monitoring, while smart irrigation system can conserve water and improve crop yields. The benefits of agriculture technology for small farms. The benefit of agriculture technology for small farms are numerous. They can help small farmers increase their yields, reduce their costs, and improve their overall operations. Additionally, they can help small farmers stay competitive in increasingly competitive market, giving them the tools they need to succeed. In conclusion, agriculture technology is a critical tool for small farmers looking to improve their operation and grow their business. With the right tools and technology, small farmers can overcome the challenges they face in thrive in 21st century. So, thank you for watching this video on agriculture technology for small farms. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sentinel Tech for more videos on the latest advancement in agriculture technology and other technical side of technologies. Thank you.